Hi guys, it's George from Currys, and today I'm going to be talking you through these 3 common vacuum cleaner tools and when to use them. Motorized tool, crevice tool and soft dusting brush. This motorized tool is ideal for tackling stubborn dirt on your carpet or rug, as it has a more focused suction on a smaller area. It's perfect for using on your stairs and great for getting rid of pet hair too. It's also a treat for when you are vacuuming your car, as it can get into those tighter, more awkward spaces that a full-size head might not reach. This crevice tool is really handy when you have tight, awkward spaces to get to or hard to reach areas when you are trying to get rid of those cobwebs. It has a narrow nozzle, so you can get into the awkward narrow areas, like where the floor meets the skirting board, on top of your skirting, or even down the side of your sofa, and even in between the cushions. A soft dusting brush like this is designed to be used in more delicate areas that need a gentler clean, whether up high, down low or anywhere in between. It's perfect for things like picture frames, lampshades, glass TV stands and mirrors. Still be really careful around those super fragile items, as this still uses moving parts. If you're looking for more information on getting the most out of your tech, why not visit us in store, head online or chat to one of my colleagues on a Shop Live video call.